AG12, welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool element right here, and basically what this is some solar pathway light. And you see for the one that we got right here from this brand, and for the one that we got right here, it does come in a pack of 12 of them. They do have it available in 6-pack as well, so depending on how many you need, that is totally up to you guys. But you see on the bottom right here, they do probably got some of the specs and features on the product. So they mention how the product charges during the daytime, and it does turn on at night. So during the daytime it will turn off, and at nighttime it will turn on. And because the product does use a solar panel to actually charge it up, it doesn't require any cable for it to plug in, which is pretty cool. But this is what the package looks like when you guys first get in. Let me actually open up to show you guys what the inside looks like. Alright, so once you guys open up, here is basically what the inside looks like. So first thing you can see inside, they do provide guys a bunch of these shafts or poles that you can use. And then right in that, you can see they do provide guys instruction manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. But pretty much for each one of these accessories, you guys want to take it out like this and flip it around. So that way you can stick this into your garage or anywhere else that you don't set it up. In the bottom, you can see we do have the actual product, and there is a bunch of them, but all of them work the same way. So I'm actually take out one of them to show you guys how it works. So when you guys do take it out, and see how it's all needs to wrap up. But if you guys do take off the wrapper, here is what the product looks like. So top part we do have the solar panel, and right here is what the side looks like. So you can see the size of the product is not that big, but it is a decent size. But the bottom part right here is where you can insert the stick. So just like this. Very easy and very simple. But in order for you to use the product, you need to open up first. So just like this. Once you guys do twist it, that is what the inside looks like. So right here in the middle, we do have the LED light. And then for this part right here is where you can insert the battery. But when you guys do purchase it, it should have the battery inside. And right here, we do have the button for it to turn it on. So we actually do turn it on. You can see we do have the light that turns on right there. If you guys notice, the color that's on here is like a warm yellow color light. If you guys want like a pure white color, this is not the one for you. Like I mentioned, the way how it works, it basically turns on at nighttime. So the reason why it does turn on right now is because I do have the solar panel covered. If I do let go, you can see how it does turn off. But once I cover it back again, it does turn on. So really easy and very simple for you to use the product. But pretty much once you guys do set it up, you guys can close it back up. Just like that. Really easy and really simple. And for this product, they do mention how it is frost resistant, heat resistant, and water resistant. So regardless of where you guys do put it, it shouldn't have any issues. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually bring this over to like a darker room to show you guys what the product looks like first. And then we'll come back and talk more product in a second. Alright, so here is what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. You can see how it does not turn on in bright setting. But if you guys do turn off the light, you can see how it does turn on. I love the patterns on here as well. You can see how it does give you guys like this kind of sun kind of design. And once you guys do turn off the light, it turns off by itself. And once you guys do turn back off, it turns back on immediately, which is pretty cool. So you can see when you guys do use the product, it definitely does work. But here is basically what the product looks like once you guys do set it up. Welcome back, guys. So now they saw a quick test of the product, and definitely actually does work. It actually works quite well. You can see when you guys do the product, it is pretty bright. And it does give you guys a pretty good coverage when you guys do use it, so that we can kind of see where it's going. It actually looks pretty nice if you guys do use a pathway light, which is pretty cool. But you can see when we do turn on the light, it does turn off by itself. And once you guys do turn off the light, it does turn on. So really easy and very simple for you to use it if you can see from the test. But probably the coolest thing about the product is the fact that it doesn't require you guys to plug in any cable to actually recharge it. All you need to do is put it in direct sunlight to actually charge it up. And that is all you guys need to do. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now the unboxing and testing product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these, especially if you guys in the market looking for a high quality solar light that's not too big or not too small, that's perfect size, and also give you guys that warm white color as well. Then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.